Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to add auto captions under your video using Capcut PC. Start by opening up Capcut PC and create a new project. Next, upload the video or videos you want to add captions under. I will use my last video to show you how this works. When your video is uploaded, go to Captions. Now, select Auto Captions and choose which language is used in the video. When done, click on Generate, and as you can see, this works pretty good. Should this not work, you can always adjust the captions or even use manual captions. You can also upload a caption file. Finally, if the video you would like captions under is a music video, you can use auto lyrics to let Capcut PC recognize the lyrics of the music video. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.